Welcome to the Girl Regional Championship. This is the second contest from the Ashanti region, and it features Sims Senior High School, SDA Senior High School, Agona, Osei Tutu Senior High School, and Kumasi Wesley Girls Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Sims Senior High School is represented by
Onyina Dia Prince.
Anape Kofi Bright Einstein.
SDA Senior High School, Agona is represented by
Amo Suafo. J. Collins Ado.
Osei Tutu Senior High School is represented by
Kasim Faiza, final year. Opao Asamoah Roger, final year.
Kumasi Wesley Girls Senior High School is represented by
Achua Sapong, together with Kulenda Abina Echa Urusu.
The Girl Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Girl with support from Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohineje. I'm a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. To our schools, a few rules that will guide this competition, okay? We'll have the competition in 4 rounds. We'll begin in round 1. Here, I'll ask you a series of questions to test your knowledge of concepts in mathematics, chemistry, biology, and physics. If a question comes to your school as a main question, you have 10 seconds to give me an answer if there are no calculations, and 30 seconds to give me an answer if there are calculations. A correct answer will give you 3 points. An incorrect answer, you only give the opportunity to another school to answer. And if they answer correctly, they'll have 1 point for attempting your bonus question. And there's a penalty point of 1 if you get a bonus question wrong. Okay. In this round, I'll start with Sims Senior High School. Ring your bell. The bells are not working. Ring your bell. Ring. Bring it again. Your bell is too short. 2. Okay, so in round 1, I'll begin with Sims Senior High School. This is a preamble to all the schools. Give the possible values of magnetic quantum number for an electron in. Give the possible values of magnetic quantum number for an electron in Sims, a 5s subshell. Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No. Osei Tutu for a bonus.
0.
Yes, that's correct. SDA, a 3p subshell. Go ahead.
-1, 0, and +1.
That's correct. Osei Tutu, a 4d subshell. Go ahead.
-2, -1, 0, +1, and 2.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley Girls, a 5f subshell. Yes.
-3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3.
That's correct. A preamble. A sequence is defined by the given recurrence relation. A sequence is defined by the given recurrence relation. If un, or u to the base n, equals u1 for all positive integers n, find the value of u1. I'll take that again. A sequence is given by the given recurrence relation. If un equals for all positive integers n, find the value of u1. Sims, un plus 1, the base is n plus 1, equals 3un plus 8. The base there is n. Go ahead.
-4.
That's correct. So if it's your main question, at any time you have an answer, just go ahead and give it. SDA SHS Agona, un plus 1, the base is n plus 1, equals 6 minus 2un. Go ahead.
-1.
No. Release the bell. I'll allow you to answer. Release the bell. Go ahead.
2.
That's correct. Osei Tutu. UN plus 1, the base is n plus 1, equals 5UN, the base is n, minus 16. Go ahead.
-16.
No. Okay. Sims.
4.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley girls. UN plus 1, the base is n plus 1, equals 5, minus 4UN. Go ahead.
-3.
No. Sims.
1.
That's correct. A preamble. Give one locally grown and common example of the following named fruit type. Give one locally grown and common example of the following named fruit type. Sims SHS. Berry. Berry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Tomato.
That's correct. SDA SHS. Dry dehiscent fruit. Dry dehiscent fruit.
Coconut.
No. Osei Tutu.
Okro.
No. No. Osei Tutu. Droop. Droop.
Mango.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley girls. Akin. ACHENE.
Sunflower.
Okay, I'll take it. That's good. So the dry dehiscent fruits were legumes. Any example of a legume? A preamble. Find the torque of force F about the origin when it acts at the point with position. Find the torque of force F about the origin when it acts at the point with position vector r. Sims. F equals 8I plus 6J newtons. R equals 2I minus 4J meters. Yes.
48 k Newton meter.
No. Osei Tutu.
K Newton meter.
That's correct. SDA SHS. F equals 4I minus 6J newtons. R equals I plus 2K meters. Yes.
65 J Newton.
No. A bonus to Kumasi Wesley girls.
12I plus 8J plus 6K Newton meters.
Repeat that.
12I plus 8J plus 6K Newton meters.
No, no. Osei Tutu. F equals 6I plus 2J minus K newtons. And R equals 2I meters. Go ahead.
Okay, it is given by 6J plus 4K, all in Newton meter.
No. Sims.
4K plus 2J, all in Newton meter.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley girls. F equals 3I plus 2J minus 4K newtons. And R equals J plus K meters. Go ahead.
Three K plus 2I minus 4I all in Newton meters.
No. A bonus for sec. A bonus to Osei Tutu.
Okay, we have into one bracket 6I minus J minus 3K, all in Newton meter.
No. Okay, so for SDA, the answer I have here is 2I plus 8J minus 6K Newton meters. And then Kumasi Wesley girls, minus 6I plus 3J minus 3K Newton meters. A preamble. Methyl cyclohexane undergoes monochlorination with a limited amount of chlorine in sunlight. I'll take that again. Methyl cyclohexane undergoes monochlorination with a limited amount of chlorine in sunlight. Give the name of one possible product from this reaction. I want each school to give me one. They should have 30 seconds for this. Each school should give me one possible product. The name, yes. Sims.
1-chlorocyclohexane.
No. Yes, SDA Agona.
You have 1,3-dichlorocyclohexane.
Repeat that.
1,3-dichlorocyclohexane.
No. Yes, Osei Tutu.
2-1-methyl-cyclohexane.
No. Yes, Wesley Girls Kumasi.
2,3-dichlorocyclohexane.
No. So why were you giving me dichloro? So for a moment I wasn't sure whether I didn't read. I said it undergoes monochlorination. So the answers are 1-chloro, 1-methyl cyclohexane, 1-chloro, 2-methyl cyclohexane, 1-chloro, 3-methyl cyclohexane, and 1-chloro, 4-methyl cyclohexane. Okay. Another preamble. Find the greatest value and the least value of the trigonometric expression. Find the greatest value and the least value of the trigonometric expression. Sims, 30 on the expression 3 cos x minus 4 sin x plus 10. Go ahead.
The greatest value is 24 and the least value is -4.
No. A bonus to Kumasi Wesley Girls.
The least value is 2, and the greatest value is 10/3.
No. SDA, 28 on the expression 5 cos x plus 12 sin x plus 15. Go ahead.
So we have the least value to be -14 and the greatest value to be equal to 7 on 8.
No. Okay. Osei Tutu. 15 on the expression 6 cos x minus root 13 sin x plus 8. Go ahead.
The greatest value is positive 15 and the least value is positive 1.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley Girls. 36 on the expression 5 cos x plus root 11 sin x plus 12. Okay, a bonus to Osei Tutu.
The greatest value is positive 6, whilst the least value is 2.
That's correct. So Sims, your answers were the greatest value is 6 and the least value is 2. SDA, your greatest value was 14, then the least value was 1. A preamble. Give 2 examples of local food sources that provide the following vitamins. So I'll give you a vitamin. You tell me 2 food sources, local. Sims, vitamin B6. Go ahead.
Leafy vegetables and unpolished rice.
What is leafy vegetable? What is leafy vegetables? Be specific. I'm giving you another opportunity. What do you mean by leafy vegetables? Okay, a bonus. Kumasi Wesley girls.
Lettuce and consomme.
Sorry.
Lettuce and consomme.
Okay, I'll give it. SDA, biotin. Biotin. Go ahead.
From animal products such as meat and milk.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
From animal products such as meat and milk.
From animal products such as?
Meat, milk.
Two out of 3. Osei Tutu, niacin. Go ahead.
Unpolished cereals and tomato.
What do you mean by unpolished cereal? I want specific answers.
For example, rice.
So rice and what?
Tomato.
No. The bonus, I shall allow it. Okay. Go ahead.
Wheat and barley.
Wheat and what?
Barley.
No, I won't take it. So now Kumasi Wesley girls, vitamin C.
The citrus family, that's lemon and the orange.
That's correct. So I don't know, sometimes maybe you find the biology questions too simple, so you are just thinking too ahead. I said give me 2 examples of food sources. And you say citrus family. If we're telling the common person citrus, just give the examples and go your way. Leafy vegetable, what does that mean? You want me to think about what leafy vegetables are or citrus family is before? Our last set of questions for this round. It's a preamble. Find the scalar potential, a distance r, from the stationary charge q, given that. Find the scalar potential of a distance r from the stationary charge q, given that. Sims, q equals minus 75 nanocoulomb, and R equals 0.12 meters. Go ahead.
Negative 5.6 kilovolts.
That's correct. SDA Agona. Q equals 9.0 nanocoulomb, and R equals 0.18 meters. Yes.
Okay, we have 4.5 by 10 to the power 2 volts.
That's correct. Osei Tutu. Q equals negative 1.6 nanocoulomb, and R equals 0.30 meters. Go ahead.
Negative 48 volts.
That's correct. Kumasi Wesley girls. Q equals 6.4 nanocoulomb, and R equals 0.24 meters. Go ahead.
We have 24 volts.
That's not correct. Okay, Sims.
240 volts.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 1. Hello? Okay. So before I go on to give the scores, there are some protests here. The first set of biology questions I asked the SDA Agona an example of a dry dehiscent fruit. They said coconut, which is incorrect. But Osei Tutu mentioned okra, so I would accept that answer for the bonus. And two examples of food sources for niacin. Osei Tutu said cereal and tomatoes. And I asked them to be specific. They said rice. I won't accept that. So now I said the sources are actually all forms of meat and legumes. So when they said here, I said be specific, hoping that you wouldn't go and mention a legume. But he didn't and still went on to mention a cereal rice. So I won't accept that. So for these questions, if I haven't asked you for a class or a group, just give as many examples as possible rather than limit yourself to classes when you'll be forced to give me incorrect answers, okay? So a good way to answering these questions is to make sure you listen well and give me the answers I'm expecting. Okay. That brings the scores at the end of round 1 to Kumasi Wesley Girls Senior High School, 7 points. SDA SHS, Agona, 8 points. Sims Senior High School, 14 points. Osei Tutu Senior High School, 15 points. So this brings us to round 2. In this round, every question or each question I read out is open to all the schools at the same time. At any time when I'm reading, if you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give the answer. If you give me the first correct answer, you have 3 points. Second correct answer, 2 points. Any answer after that is worth 1 point. At any time, if you give me an incorrect answer, there's a penalty point of 1. Also, when you ring your bell, it means you have an answer. So I count on my fingers, 1, 2, 3. If you are not given the answer or you haven't given the answer, and another school has rung their bell, I'll move on to them. Our first question. .0 cm cube of a 0.24 mole per dm cube KOH solution is diluted with 90.0 cm cube of water. What is the new concentration? Osei Tutu.
0.080.
It's not correct. Hold on. I would allow SDA Agona to mention. But when you ring the bell once, it registers. We record it. Don't keep on ringing when they are giving the answers. I won't hear. SDA SHS.
0.040 mole per dm cube.
No. Kumasi Wesley Girls. Okay.
0.08 mole per dm cube.
No. Sims.
0.060 mole per dm.
That's correct. Our next question. Phosphine or phosphine, pH3, reacts with chloric acid, HClO3, to form hydrochloric acid and phosphoric acid. Determine the sum of coefficients of reactants and products in this reaction. Fourteen. Calculate the molar mass of 2-methyl-butene. Osei Tutu.
70 grams per mole.
That's correct. What is the end product of sexual reproduction? Sims.
Zygote.
No.
So
Yeah.
the end product of sexual reproduction results in the fusion of the male and female sex cells, which
No. Kumasi Wesley girls.
Zygote formation.
No. Oh, did you ring your bell? Okay. Sexual reproduction in plants. Yes. Osei Tutu.
Okay, so it results in the formation of seeds.
That's correct. What is the name of the sugar usually transported in the
Sucrose.
That's correct. So it was transported in the phlegm. Okay. What molecules are formed in the light reaction of? Yes, Osei Tutu.
Okay, it is reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphates and hydrogen.
No. Kumasi Wesley girls.
NADP and ATP.
That's correct. The radius of the wheel of a vehicle is 28 centimeters. If it travels a distance of 8.8 kilometers, find the number of complete turns made by the wheel. Take pi as 22 on 7. SDA SHS Agona.
It undergoes 10 oscillations.
No. What do you say?
10 oscillations.
No. 5,000. Find the length of an altitude of a triangle if its area is 24 cm3 and the altitude is 2 centimeters shorter than the corresponding side. Sims.
6 centimeters.
That's correct. Solve for x and y from the equation. So bracket open. 7 to the power x plus y. The power is x plus y. Bracket closed. Another bracket open. 3 to the power x minus 2y. X minus 2y is the power. Bracket closed. Equals 7 by 81. 7 times 81. Sims.
Y equals -1 and x equals 2.
That's correct. Find the photon emission rate of a 20 milliwatt monochromatic laser emitting at 500 nanometers. Osei Tutu.
5.0 by 10 exponent 16 by 10 exponent 16 electrons or photons per second.
No. Who else rang the bell? Yes. SDA.
4.0 kilowatts per meter.
No. Okay, I have 5 by 10 to the power 16 per second. What is the kinetic energy of a solid cylinder of radius 0.20 meters, length 2.5 meters, and mass 2.0 kilogram, spinning about its axis at 400 radians per second? Osei Tutu.
8.0 joules.
No. (16 kilojoules). If two particles attract each other with a 36 Newton gravitational force when they are 0.4 meters apart, how far apart must they be to attract each other with a 16 Newton? Sims?
0.6 meters.
No. SDA Agona.
0.36 meters.
No. With a 16 Newton gravitational force. Osei Tutu.
0.06 meters.
No. I have 0.3 meters. That brings us to the end of round 2. to attract. Hello, the last physics fact. So the Sims gentleman drew my attention that my answer was incorrect. I've recalculated, they're actually right, so they will have that mark. At the end of round 2, the scores are SDA SHS Agona 4 points. Kumasi Wesley Girls Senior High School 7 points. Osei Tutu Senior High School 15 points. Sims Senior High School 26 points. Before we go on to round 3, Osei Tutu Senior High School would like Peter to come on for Kasim. SDA Senior High School, Agona would like Godfrey to come on for Collins. Round 3. In this round, I would ask each school a series of questions, and I want them to tell me if the question or the statement I read out to them is true or false. If they answer correctly, they'll be awarded 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If they are bailed out, another school can ring for that question for the same rules. 2 points if correct, minus 1 if it's incorrect. In this round, I'll start with SDA SHS. A preamble. In an adiabatic process with a fixed quantity of ideal gas. That's the preamble. In an adiabatic process with a fixed quantity of an ideal gas, SDA, pressure decreases, whereas volume increases.
False.
Yes, it's false. Osei Tutu. Pressure increases, whereas volume decreases. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Wesley girls. Pressure times volume remains constant.
True.
Into the microphone.
True.
No, it's false. Sims. Pressure times volume divided by temperature remains constant. Yes. Into the microphone. Yes, it's true. Okay, so the preamble is during a heartbeat. During a heartbeat. SDA SHS. The systolic phase in an atrium lasts 0.15 seconds.
False.
No, it's true. Osei Tutu. The diastolic phase in the ventricle lasts 0.30 seconds. Yes.
True.
No, it's false. Kumasi Wesley girls. There are 2 diastolic phases in the ventricle.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Sims. The systolic phase is sandwiched between 2 diastolic phases in the ventricle.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. In a circle, if 2 chords A, B, and C, D intersect at E, then in a circle, if 2 chords A, B, and C, D intersect at E, then SDA AB times EB equals CD times EC.
False.
Yes, it's false. Osei Tutu AE times BE equals CE times CD.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Wesley girls. AB times EA equals CD times EC.
False.
Yes, it's false. Same senior high school. AE times BE equals CE times DE.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. SDA. The rate of decay of a radioactive substance is constant over time.
False.
Yes, it's false. Osei Tutu. The rate of decay of a radioactive substance increases over time as the amount of the substance decreases. Go ahead.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Wesley girls. Half-life remains constant throughout the life of a radioactive substance.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Since the concept of half-life applies only to radioactive substances.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. An external electric field of magnitude E is applied to a linear dielectric of dielectric constant K. An external electric field of magnitude E is applied to a linear dielectric of dielectric constant K. SDA. The magnitude of the electric in the dielectric is Ke.
True.
No, it's false. Osei Tutu. The electric field in the dielectric is perpendicular to the applied field. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Wesley girls. The magnitude of the electric field in the dielectric is E over K.
It's false.
No, it's true. Since the dielectric behaves more and more as a conductor as K tends towards 0. Yes.
It's true.
No, it's false. SDA, photoperiodism. Affects when some plants fruit.
True.
Yes, it's true. Osei Tutu. Photoperiodism affects the color of parts of all plants. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Wesley girls. In plants, the amount of exposure to light determines bract size.
It's true.
No, it's false. Sims. Ghana and Allard discovered photoperiodism. Go ahead.
It's false.
No, it's true. SDA. A relation is a mapping.
False.
Yes, it's false. Osei Tutu. A many-to-one relation is a mapping.
True.
Yes, it's true. Kumasi Wesley girls. Some mappings are not relations. Some mappings are not relations.
It's true.
No, it's false. Since a many-to-many relation is a mapping. A many-to-many relation is a mapping.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. SDA. An sp2 hybridized carbon has a trigonal planar shape and bond angle of 180 degrees.
False.
Yes, it's false. Osei Tutu. An sp hybridized carbon is linear and has bond angle of 180 degrees.
True.
Yes, it's true. Kumasi Wesley girls. An sp3 hybridized carbon has a tetrahedral shape and bond angle of 120 degrees.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Same SHS. An sp2 hybridized carbon has a trigonal planar shape and bond angle of 120 degrees. Yes, go ahead.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. That brings us to the end of round 3.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy.
The scores are Kumasi Wesley Girls Senior High School, 11 points. SDA Senior High School, Agona, 14 points. Osei Tutu Senior High School, 28 points. Nsmq Senior High School, 36 points. Round 4. In this round, I'll read out a series of clues for 4 different riddles. What I want you to do is to attempt to solve the riddle. So you tell me what I'm describing. Anytime, if you are sure you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If you give me a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, you have 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You just stay out of that particular riddle and allow the other schools to compete for it, okay? So our first riddle. I am found in plants. I am totally indestructible. I ensure continuity. I am part of the male reproductive system of plants. I am powdery in... Yes, Sims.
Pollen grain.
No. I am powdery... Oh, Kumasi.
Answer. The answer.
No. I am powdery in nature. Yes, SDA.
Spore.
No. I have pollen, but I think it's equivalent to pollen grains. Our next riddle. I am a subject widely studied in physics. I am one of the 4 fundamental subjects of physics. I am traditionally partitioned into a few divisions. Notable contributors to my development are Hamilton, Lagrange, and D'Alembert. I am the study of the nature and causes of the state of rest or motion. Since
Kinematics.
no. SDA.
Statics.
No. Anybody else? Okay. The state of rest or motion of objects. Osei Tutu.
Kinetics.
No.
Mechanics.
Did you ring your bell? Okay, yes, it's mechanics. Our next riddle. Who am I? I'm mechanics. I am an element with no stable isotopes. In that respect, I am a bit odd. As such, I am artificially made. Indeed, I am the first element. Sims.
Technetium.
That's correct. Our last riddle. I am a 3-digit odd number. I am between 300 and 400. I am an exact square. SDA.
361.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round. At the end of round 4, the scores are Kumasi Wesley Girls, Senior High School, 14 points. SDA Senior High School, Agona, 17 points. Osei Tutu Senior High School, 28 points. Nsmq Senior High School, 42 points. Congratulations, Nsmq Senior High School. Well done. Better luck next time to SDA SHS, Osei Tutu SHS, and Kumasi Wesley Girls SHS. Thank you for joining us for the Ashanti Regional Championship from the Ashanti region. Do join us when we bring you the next contest. The Ashanti Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. This is a prime-time production. I am Talmohine J, your quiz mistress. Thank you and see you soon.
Hello, please settle down. Let's do our presentations.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy.